to share with you guys some jewelry pieces that have become my daily go-tos courtesy of Ana Luisa. Now, what makes Ana Luisa stand out to me? Like, what makes them so different from other jewelry brands? Well, besides their stunning designs, of course, they're an eco-friendly brand committed to crafting jewelry that does not harm our planet at all. And I've been wearing their pieces for a while now, so you can trust me when I say that they still look as fabulous as they do day one. No tarnishing inside, literally no tarnishing. What I love most is the incredible quality you get for the price. It's definitely a rare find in the world of jewelry nowadays, and I genuinely believe that it's the best investment that you can make for yourself and for the environment. Speaking of investments, I've also picked up some pieces for my loved ones. Take a look at this Lori necklace and the Elise pendant. Delicate, elegant, and an absolute delight. Can you imagine finding a more charming gift for the upcoming holidays? I didn't think so. And speaking of which, with the festive season just around the corner, now is definitely the perfect time to tick off those wish lists. And guess what? I've got a little gift for you. A special link in the description box below that gets you a whopping 35% off. Yes, you heard it right. Ana Luisa is currently having a promotion on their website for 35% off for some exquisite planet-friendly jewelry. You can check out their website, which serves a wide variety of jewelry from necklaces to rings, bracelets, customizable necklaces, and so much more. So why not make your holiday shopping a breeze and snag some gorgeous pieces for yourself and definitely for your loved ones too. Happy shopping, and let's spread the joy of stunning jewelry this holiday season. And thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into it. Hey guys, oh my god, my hair is such a mess. Guess where I'm going today? I'm going to JB. I've never been to JB for so long. It's been about 4 or 5 years since I've last been there. So this is really exciting. Basically what we're gonna do there is like, I'm gonna do my nails because I haven't done my nails in so long, and now that exam seasons are over, I can finally do my nails and do whatever I want. And the nails that I picked is something that I've been dreaming of doing for so long because they're gel nails, so obviously in my school you can't have nails in general, and gel nails are super hard to remove. So now that school's out, I can finally do it. So I will see you guys there. So this is the fit, very simple. This is from Ana Luisa, and wait. Okay, this bracelet is also from Ana Luisa. We are here at Causeway Point and we're gonna take the bus there. Hi, we just reached Malaysia's immigration point. Right now waiting for our Grab. We are here at Holiday Plaza, time to do our nails. My nails took almost like 3 hours, but anyways, we're going to KSL City now to see if there's anything to eat. If not, we're going to a different mall. Mid Valley. I'm very hungry because I didn't eat anything since I got here. So we're gonna go find something to eat right now. Ta-da! So it smells so good right now.
One eternity later. A few moments later.